Most YouTubers are burning themselves out, spending 8 hours editing a single video, paying hundreds for AI subscriptions, and still getting 0 views. But what if I told you there's a completely free tool that can create viral-ready videos in under 5 minutes? I'm talking about videos that looked like they took days to make, but actually took less time than making a cup of coffee. Today I'm going to expose CapCut's secret AI features that 90% of creators don't even know exist. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to automate your entire content creation process without spending a single dollar. I'm going to show you 2 ways to create faceless viral videos for trending niches. Watch till the end and make sure to follow each and every step to automate your videos. The results I'm about to show you are going to blow your mind. So buckle up. Look at these channels right here. Simple AI-generated videos about mythology, over 2 million subscribers, millions of views per video. The crazy part? These videos are being created entirely with AI in minutes, not hours. Before today, you needed ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for images, and 11 Labs for voice, and then still had to edit everything together manually. That's like 4 different subscriptions and hours of work. But CapCut just changed the game completely. They've packed everything into one free tool. That's honestly scary good. First things first, grab CapCut from their official website. I've got the direct download link in the description, so no hunting around sketchy sites. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or mobile, they've got you covered. And installation takes literally 30 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see something that looks pretty normal at first, but here's where it gets interesting. Click on AI Video Maker and prepare to have your mind blown. CapCut has quietly built 4 insanely powerful AI tools that can replace your entire video creation workflow. Let's start with the most powerful one, Brainstorm with AI. This thing is absolutely wild. Watch this. What if you don't even know what to make videos about? CapCut's Brainstorm AI is about to solve that problem forever. This feature will change the game. It is exactly what you need to automate your faceless videos. I enter the topic unbelievable mythological tales from the past, and watch what happens. It's generating related, specific, viral-worthy video ideas. Look at these titles: Epic Tales of Creation, The Dark Side of Mythology. These are the exact types of topics that explode on YouTube. 5 viral ideas, but I'm going to generate more. I'll pick this one about bizarre creatures. Set it to 1 minute. Type in the tone of the script and, like CapCut, write the entire script. The script is actually engaging. It's got hooks, storytelling, and even calls to action. I've seen professional copywriters charge hundreds for scripts worse than this. Now I'm going to click on the This Scene button and choose Generate AI Media for All. Select the style. I'm going to pick Epic Fantasy because we want our video to be epic. Click on Apply to All Scenes, and just like that, it generates suitable images for each scene in seconds. The images are awesome, but I don't like the image for the first scene, so I'm going to delete it and regenerate it. This one is so much better. Similarly, we edit out any mistakes and errors that we can find. Now pick a voice that sounds engaging. Hit Generate and OK. This is the part where I used to grab a coffee because editing would take forever. But with CapCut, we're talking 2 to 3 minutes max. Next, background music. This is crucial for attention. I'm searching for epic and perfect. This track immediately sets the mood and keeps viewers glued to their screens. Before we generate, we can select the volume of the music. Make sure that it is low for maximum audience retention. The images are perfectly matched to the script. The pacing is perfect, and that voice sounds like a professional narrator. This would have taken me half a day to create manually, and CapCut just did it in 3 minutes. But here's the thing, we can make it even better. See, most people would just export this and call it done, but that's amateur hour. Let me show you how to take this from good to absolutely viral. But first, we're gonna make some changes to the script to correct some errors. Instead of export, click on Edit More. It opens CapCut menu. First, let's spice up those scenes. CapCut has these transition styles that look incredible when added between the scenes. I'm adding pull-ins and pull-outs and fades. There are so many free ones to use. Next, you can add effects to each scene to give it an animated feel. I like to use mist, firefly, or lightning. See what a big difference that made? It gives the image movement and makes it look like a video. You can also give an intro and outro animation for each, or even change the caption style. Here, with CapCut, there are no limits to how awesome you can make the video. It's like having a professional video editor that never gets tired. We are nearly done making our viral video. We will see our final video in a bit, but if you are enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Let me know if you want me to make another video like this on CapCut AI in the comments. Also, I'm coming up with a brand new AI tutorial, so subscribe if you're interested to know when it drops. Okay, now let's get back and finish this. Let's see the final results.
10 bizarre creatures from global mythology that will leave you speechless. Number 10 is the basilisk, a creature so terrifying that just one look from its eyes could turn you to stone. This snake-like monster is said to have existed in ancient Greece, and its skin was so poisonous that it could kill a human in just a few seconds. Number 9 is the amphisbaena, a two-headed serpent that was said to have been killed by Zeus after it tried to eat Medusa. Talk about a tongue twister. Number 8 is the chimera, a fire-breathing monster with the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and a tail that ended in a snake's head. This creature is said to have been slain by the hero Bellerophon. Number 7 is the kraken, a massive sea monster with tentacles, so strong that it could wrap them around ships and drag them down to the ocean floor. This legendary beast is said to have been caught off the coast of Norway in the 12th century. Number 6 is the thunderbird, a giant bird that was said to have lived in North America before it went extinct. Its feathers were so large that they could be used as blankets, and its eggs were so big that they could feed an entire village. Number 5 is the phoenix, a mythical bird that could live for up to 500 years and then burst into flames and be reborn from its own ashes. This symbol of immortality is said to have been seen in ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Number 4 is the sphinx, a creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. It was said to have posed riddles to travelers, and if they couldn't answer them, it would devour them. The Sphinx is a common figure in Egyptian mythology. Number 3 is the manticore, a beast with the body of a lion, the face of a man, and a tail that ended in a scorpion's tail. It was said to have lived in India, and its roar was so loud that it could shake the ground. Number 2 is the hydra, a many-headed water monster that lived in a lake in Greece. It was said to have been killed by the hero Hercules after a fierce battle. And number 1 is the Cerberus, a three-headed dog that guarded the gates of the underworld in Greek mythology. It was said to have been slain by the hero Orpheus after he played it a magical tune on his lyre. Now you know why they called these creatures monsters. Leave a like if you want part 2.
The quality is astounding. Now you are empowered to create your own viral videos. Now that I showed you the best, easiest way to make your viral video, I will now teach you a trick to make your videos even faster. Because let's face it, the world is getting faster and we don't want to be left behind. So let me quickly show you how to do it. First, head back to CapCut's homepage. Once again, click on AI Video Maker. This time, we're going to click on this option, Instant Video. This is how we can make our fastest fast video yet. Let's go. I'm going to select 9:16 for a long-form video. I'll go with biblical style. Now I select Generate Script. I type in what I want, an inspiring folktale. I then select the voice I like and select 1 minute. Now just go ahead and generate. After just a small wait, we get our awesome results. It's like a video completely made and presented with a neat little ribbon and a bow. Let's play it.
I am gone. Now tell you an ancient folk tale that will inspire you to take up arms against the giants in your life. Once upon a time, in a kingdom not too far away, there was a terrible drought. The king and his wife were so worried about their people that they decided to sacrifice their only son to the gods of rain and thunder. They tied him up, laid him on an altar, and prepared to say goodbye. But just as the king was about to strike the fatal blow, a tiny voice spoke up. "Father, please don't kill me. I may be small, but I'm strong. I can take care of myself." The king was taken aback by his son's bravery, and he stopped. He looked at his son and said, "You are right. You are our only hope. We have failed you and your siblings. Now it's your turn to save the day." And so the boy, though only 12 years old, led his people to victory. He negotiated with the rain gods and ended the drought. And because of his courage, his people prospered for many years to come. Do you see, my friends? Even the smallest of us can accomplish great things if we try. The giants in our lives may seem too big and too scary to face. But with courage and determination, we can overcome any obstacle.
That is the best way to create quick and original shorts I have ever come across. If you like this trick, hit that like button. Your support means everything. Now moving on to our last segment for the day, here's where things get really sci-fi. CapCut can create talking avatar videos that look almost real. This is perfect if you want to stay faceless but still have that personal connection with viewers. Just head back to the homepage onto AI Video Maker. This time, we will select Avatar Video. Okay, in this panel, we select our avatar. We can upload and use a customized avatar, but for now, I'm going with a preset, this one. Now, I generate the script just like before. I give a simple prompt for the script. Next, I select the voice video duration and press Generate. We wait for a bit while we wait for it to load. Do comment below and let me know if you will use these free CapCut tricks for your next video. And if you found them useful, there we go. The avatar has been generated. Let's play it and see what we got.
Do what you love and love what you do. If you do what you love, you'll never have to work a day in your life.
That was wild. See, we can tweak the script here in the left panel and regenerate. The avatar's lips will then sync with the new script. The quality gets better once we export it. Until then, you can see a bit of a lag. Let's try some more avatars.
If you don't love what you do, then you do it half-assed, you do it reluctantly.
You do it because you have to, because it's a job. And that's the worst way to live your life.
And he sees a billboard that says, "Hey kids."
And there you have it. CapCut just turned you into a content creation machine, while other creators are still stuck in 2020 editing for hours. You're about to flood YouTube with viral quality videos in minutes. But here's what really matters. These videos are designed to perform. CapCut understands YouTube's algorithm because it's built by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Every template, every style, every transition is optimized for maximum retention and engagement, and creating 3 times more content in half the time. If this video helped you discover something game-changing, smash that like button and subscribe, because I am constantly finding new AI tools that can skyrocket your content creation. Until next time,